To my first update review. Let's show you around. As you might have seen, we have transitions and new planes in the title. Look, it's the Vulcan. Greater Rockford. First we have a FOV bar. Binoculars are a little useless. Running to the gate. Time for Cessna 402. Light aircraft section. It has for different styles. And totally free. Cockpit view. Passenger view. Exterior view. Time to fly. Take off. Takeoff speed is about 100 knots. Its max speed is 230 knots. In a steep dive, it can go 300 knots. Let's return to Mellor to review landing. Flaps animation. Landing time lapse. Was that butter? Final feature. You can finally access FreeCam on mobile. To turn on, it's the camera button on the top left. It's very cool. To turn off FreeCam, click the camera button on top left again. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe.